Hi, this is Dan Collins coming to you live from Traders Expo New York, back again with Jeff Greenblatt. Jeff and I had been talking about a lot of his GAN work and a lot of his square outs, and a lot of it's been theoretical. But Jeff had made a really important discovery based on what happened in the fourth quarter sell-off. Tell us about what you found, Jeff.
Well, actually, you know what? I teach these people, and it was one of my students that sent me the chart so quickly before I can even figure it out myself. But I'm the teacher, and the student outdid the teacher. But here's the bottom line. People were wondering why the market topped when the market did top. And it's simple, but it's not easy. So what happened in October to create that incredible sell-off is if you go to the chart of the NDX to the old internet bear market from 2000 to 2002, what you will find is a range of 4,021 points. That's the range down. Now the market has a very long memory, and it remembers things a lot more than most people realize, because what ended up happening is after that, and I said what price in Times Square, the pattern changes direction. So we had the price that dropped at 4,021 points, and then 4,023 trading days right in that margin of error of 1 or 2. 4,023 trading days, the NDX topped in October, and you all know what happened after that.
Yeah, and now we're sitting, and like all technical work, right, the longer that time cycle usually means a more significant move.
Right. So what's happening right now, and what's catching my attention and my interest, is that a lot of these charts have been up 41 days. The Dow, the S&P, and some of them stocks and other stocks, they all stopped at 41 days up, and then they made another marginal high at 47. I don't know the exact number, but if you look at the Dow high from the past week, it ended in 41, and I'm going, what is the deal with this 41? It was driving me crazy for a couple of days. Then I looked at my Russell 2000 chart, and I found that from the February 2018 bottom, see, a lot of the charts topped in October, but a couple of the charts topped on around the end of August. I think it was August 30th. The Russell 2000 topped in 141 days. And what was the price at 141 days? It was 1742. And if you take the square root of 1742, it's in the 41 handle. So that was it. I go, oh my goodness, this is what's driving the action. All these 41s that's on the Russell, and you had the high in the Dow on the 41. In the very least, we got a reaction last week, and it started going down. So it's possible that this could be a rollover point, given the fact that we had that 18-year cycle click back in October.
And now this is a very timely moment now, because we're talking, it's March 11th. We had the sell-off. The market has rallied for most of 2019, and we're at a point where most people are saying, has the bull market resumed, or is this the end of the correction to the Q4 downturn, and will there be another leg? We don't know that right now, but Jeff, you're just giving us information that says
right, and
this could be it.
And the really interesting thing about it was, like last Sunday night, when they announced that they were on the cusp of a trade deal with China, and the futures took off, and we finally reached the point that it's been going up this year, that it just felt like it was going up and it was never coming back down to earth. That's an important key point. And you and I have had this discussion for years about buy the rumor, sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Well, this was a unique situation where they've been buying these rumors and they sold the cusp, because on this March 11th, is there a trade deal in place? I don't think so. There's no trade deal in place. But what happened was they bought not the news, It was buy the rumor and sell the cusp. I'm telling you, I never seen such a crazy thing in all my life.
Well, we're going to be following those markets very, very closely. Jeff, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
All right. This has been Dan Collins with live from Traders Expo, New York.